Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off enhanced eye comfort shield option in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for this option and how to disable it. First we need to go to our phone settings, then we need to scroll to display options menu, and here we have our eye comfort shield. We can open we need to open this option, and in the custom setting, in the adaptive setting as well, in the custom setting and in adaptive setting we have enhanced comfort option right here. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden options here. So now we can turn off this option, or we can simply turn off our eye comfort shield altogether. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.